Imagine waking up tomorrow to discover you're a little more evolved than yesterday. No extra arms or a third eye, but something's changed. Welcome to the fascinating world of real-time evolution, where human DNA could actually be updating on the fly. Yep, like the latest app update, but for our bodies. Spoiler alert, no bug fixes. Evolution isn't just something that happened eons ago, leaving us with caveman ancestors who probably would have failed miserably at using a smartphone. It's a continuous process, one that could still be happening, just way more subtly. Today, we're diving into the question, is human DNA changing right now? And if so, are we just becoming better versions of ourselves? Or are we slowly adapting to our tech-filled, fast food-loving lives? Believe it or not, scientists think humans have evolved in some wild ways over the last 10,000 years. For example, our ancient ancestors probably couldn't digest milk. But fast forward a few millennia, and voila, lactose tolerance became a thing. Basically, humans evolved so we could enjoy cheese pizza without too much gastrointestinal drama. But not all of us, as any lactose-intolerant viewer out there could tell you. Now, let's talk environment. Our surroundings are practically writing a D&E update package as we speak. Ever heard of air pollution? Of course you have. It's like the distant relative we'd all love to avoid. Scientists are finding evidence that our DNA may be adapting to better handle the toxic soup we've brewed for ourselves in cities worldwide. But don't get too excited. Evolving to breathe smog isn't exactly ideal. Pretty sure our ancestors never needed air filters. Okay, here's where it gets really sci-fi. Technology. Imagine if the constant screen time and tech reliance actually influenced our DNA. Are we evolving to have tech hands for endless typing and scrolling? What if future generations come with, I don't know, Bluetooth compatibility? And hey, maybe a charging port would be more useful than an appendix. So, are these changes happening fast enough to make a difference in our lifetimes? Evolution doesn't usually move that fast, but scientists argue that some shifts might actually be visible within a few generations. Researchers even speculate that we could see a world where humans have genes better suited for the 21st century. A genetic toolkit that would make future humans more adaptable to whatever we throw at them next. Like, say, climate change. So, is our DNA evolving right now? The answer is likely a yes, though maybe not with the superpowers we'd hope for. We're talking about adaptations that let us digest certain foods better, survive harsher environments, and maybe handle modern life's quirks. Sadly, no evidence yet for Instagram-resistant genes. But hey, we're only human. Give us a few thousand more years, and who knows? If you're curious about where human evolution is taking us, go ahead and evolve that thumb by hitting like and subscribe. No DNA mutations required.